Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Free up about 20 GB, plug into power, and use Ethernet or stable Wi-Fi so downloads don't fail. Make a quick backup of your documents and create a system restore point. This protects you if the update misbehaves. Once done, open Settings Right Arrow Update and Security Right Arrow Windows Update. Click Check for updates and let Windows fetch available packages. You're starting the process now to avoid interruptions and ensure rollback options if needed. After Windows finds updates, review what's listed so you know whether it's a cumulative security rollup or a larger feature update and why it matters. You should let the download complete before installing. Close heavy apps and pause large transfers to speed things up. Start the install and be prepared for multiple restarts. Feature updates can take 20 to 60 minutes or more. Make sure to leave the PC plugged in and avoid forcing shutdowns during configuration to prevent corruption. Once installation finishes, sign back in and let Windows finalize settings. Then run Windows Update again to apply smaller patches and driver updates. If you see errors, note the error code, run Settings Right Arrow Update and Security Right Arrow Troubleshoot Right Arrow Windows Update, and check disk health with CHKDSK or SFC scans. If the system is unstable, use recovery options to roll back to the previous build or restore from your backup. That step protects your data while you troubleshoot deeper causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.